silk.
With the kids jingle belling and melting marshmallow go. It's the most wonderful time of the year.
Timo.
There'll be much mistletoeing and hearts will be glowing when loved ones are near. It's the most wonderful time of the year. It's the most wonderful time of the year. There'll be much mistletoeing and
What's
hearts
all grown
will
up?
be glowing when loved ones are near. It's the most wonderful time. It's the most wonderful. There'll be parties for hosting marshmallows all over the year. There'll be much mistletoeing and hearts will be glowing when loved ones are near.
I think the shrinks are not yet here. Yeah, Chowder, let me guess, did we get silk? Rather. Silk. Lloyd in space. Coming to Senate of February 3, 2001. Totally.
Everyone and play. Come out, everyone, and play with me. I haven't long to stay. If you wanna make a snowman, I'll help you make one. 1, 2, 3. If you want to take a sleigh ride, the ride's on me. Play with me. Push. Tap
And the home sweet home.
Home sweet home. Did you get everything? Did you get everything?
Yes, madrasa.
طيب سلم على جدة قول لي يلا باي باي جدة.
Bye bye, Jadya.
باي باي يا معلم جدة يا حبيبي ربي يسعدك. جاه ربنا هلا يا
يلا امشي يلا.
يا رمضان يا رب.
يلا سلام.
نكسني لسه الفلوس.
Aha! You can pat the cat. Oh, tell everyone you. How about this?
Lonesome people in the whole wide world. That's me and the man.
Oos, get in that part.
Right this moment. Madrasa.
Oos, get in
That right this moment.
Second bad, هي فوق كده.
That don't go to madrasa.
No madrasa.
That don't go to
يلا،
madrasa.
go quick, يلا. شلون ابو جنى؟
هلا
كيف حالك؟
طالع؟ شلونك؟
والله تمام.
تحضيرات
تمام تمام.
على
صنوبة.
قدم الوسط له اي عزم
اه. اهم شيء له ينعزم.
وصقر
وصقر وحمزة و شو اسمه المضلاك؟ والله ناسي شو اسمه اثنيناتهم. كنت اقول لك شروق كيف صارت؟ مشكلة لما بعد
ما نحتاج احمد الليفر والكدني
تسوي بتعلمش يعني ليش يكون عنده يعني هذا الواحد يقول طيب فيتامين بي 12 اعطيته اياه ولا لا؟
عم بعطي
حسيت في تحسن في شيء؟
في تحسن خالص بس
Pirate ships.
بتعمل حركات غريبه
كيف يعني؟
تكون حتى لو شوفوا مثلا راكي ساقط
I have an idea. Let's go. The Ask the Guru Kid.
من المرايل بس
You can pet the cat. I'll tell everyone you. Yes.
بلاش عم
ان شاء الله بس تابع على